I'm driving on the Pennsylvania Turnpike. Just got done with an amazing yogarati workshop, and the reason why it was amazing was because I got to work with the teachers for 2.5 hours showing them the yogarati program and the behavior management techniques, and then we actually got to go into a classroom and see the techniques in action and have the teachers try it and be amazed at what worked. And
watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
And being able to understand what didn't work and how to remove it. So it was awesome. It was great to be able to actually try it out. I'm kind of curious when it comes to behavior management. You know, there's a speed limit for everyone, teachers, parents, kids, drivers, whatever. There's no one set behavior management system. I'm curious to find out, what do you do? What do you do as a teacher? What do you do as a parent? Who taught you your behavior management? Did you come up with your own behavior management rules and what to do based on what your parents did, or based on the opposite of what your parents did? Were you like me? Like one day after my mom whooped me because I deserved it, I ran upstairs in my room and I said, someday when I have my own kids, I'm gonna do it. And I started spouting all the opposite things that my mother did. Things like implement discipline, things like implement rules, awesome things that made me who I am today. So just curious, where did your behavior management system come from? Are you doing just what you think is best? Are you doing what you think is the opposite of what other people? Do you read books? Have you looked into it? Have you looked more at behavior management for your new puppy than you have researching behavior management for your kids, or even in your classroom? Just kind of curious. Think about it. Maybe if you have any questions, I have a book on behavior management. People have told me it's good. It's called Building the 21st Century Child. It's an easy read. If you have interest in learning about child behavior, then just go read up. Look on internet, look on YouTube, look on Google, anything. There's tons of information. It was just kind of curious thinking about that when I'm working with these teachers, and some were young. They had no frame of reference for behavior management. I don't know, something to think about. All right, have a great day.